Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the super delicious matcha protein smoothie. And I really like to drink this like post-workout and everything. So I hope you guys can try it out. Thanks! So this is my kitchen and I'm going to show you guys each of the steps of how I make my matcha protein smoothie. So first we have some frozen banana. So I have like really ripe banana that I put into pieces and I put in the freezer, and it's super convenient to do this whenever you're making smoothies. And I have my go-to unsweetened almond milk, and this is great just because it doesn't have that many calories, only 40 calories per 1 cup. And I really like this brand because it has no sugar in it and it's lactose free and soy free. Then I have my Asian blender at home for my grandma who doesn't understand English, so she translates all of the little buttons into Chinese. It's really cute. And then here's my protein. So I'm using the USANA My Smart Performance Booster protein, and it's just pure whey protein. So as you can see, the ingredients is just whey protein concentrate, so there's no sugars and no fillers. So I really like this. It's unflavored though, so I guess if you're not really used to like unflavored protein, it might be kind of weird, but I do like it just because you can put in anything, including just like your soy milk or almond milk or shakes, and it doesn't really like have a taste in it. So I like this, and it's really great because for each serving, for 2 tablespoons, there's 10 grams of protein. So that's really good. And here's my starter matcha powder that I use. I got this off of Amazon for about $15 for this gigantic pack. It's like 16 ounces. It's 100% organic matcha powder, and it's great for boosting energy, burns calories, increased focus, improves skin health, and supercharge immune system. So I really like this. It's also vegan and non-GMO, and it's a pretty good packet. It's a lot. So first what I like to do is I like to pour in the almond milk. So I kind of eyeball it, but I put in about 200 milliliters, or just like a little bit to the first tick mark. And then I'm going to put in my banana. So I'm just going to dump this entire thing in here. I also I don't like add stevia or honey. So the bananas are like my sugar and what makes it sweet. And now I'm going to add in my protein. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of it, so that's the serving size. There we go. 1, 2. And then I'm going to add my matcha. So it kind of depends on how strong you want your matcha flavor to be. I kind of go for like half of a tablespoon because I don't want it too bitter. I'm gonna top it off with a straw just because I like drinking my smoothies with a straw. And there you go, a perfectly delicious matcha protein milkshake. So I'm gonna drink it right now because I like to drink this post-workouts for like a post-workout protein-filled snack. So there you go. Thank you for watching.